Hey there! In our last video, we visited some of the most unforgettable places in Iceland. In this video, we'll show you a few more must-visit places as we drove back from Vik to Reykjavik, which was about a 4-hour drive. From Vik, we would first stop at Waterfalls, then Geysers, then headed down to Waterfalls, then further down to Geysers crater, and finally headed back to Reykjavik. So come along with us.
Walking in a forest, feeling so alive. The trees whisper secrets as I take in the sights. The birds sing melodies, the sun shines so bright. In this peaceful heaven, everything feels right. Walking in the forest, feeling free. Nature's beauty surrounds me. The leaves crunch beneath my feet.
Iceland probably had the most unpredictable weather. When we got to Waterfalls, it was gloomy and super windy. Well, this is what it was supposed to look like if it was a sunny day. That being said, it was still a very incredible experience, and you should definitely consider visiting this place if you plan on going to Iceland.
Nature's beauty surrounds me. The leaves crunch beneath my feet. In this moment I feel complete. I lose myself in the beauty of this place. The worries of the world I can't even trace. In the forest I find peace.
Geysers was such a fun place to visit. As we walked toward the biggest geyser, there were so many little ones along the way, and the water temperature was anywhere from 80 to 100 degrees Celsius, so you definitely want to stay away from the hot boiling water. And we finally got to this biggest geyser, which will blast every few minutes.
I lose myself in the beauty of this place. The worries of the world I can't even trace. In the forest I find peace of mind, a sanctuary for my soul to unwind. Walking in the forest feeling free. Nature's beauty surrounds me. The leaves crunch beneath my feet. In this moment I feel complete. Walking in the forest, feeling so alive. In this peaceful haven, everything feels right. I'll cherish this moment forever in my heart. Walking in the forest where my soul finds its spark. Walking in the forest, feeling free. Nature's beauty surrounds me.
Waterfalls is a much smaller waterfall, but it's very easy to access and much less crowded than other popular places.
I'll cherish this moment forever in my heart. Walking in the forest where my soul finds its spark.
The Geysers crater is a over 6,000-year-old volcanic crater that has vibrant blue water surrounded by unique red volcanic rocks. And again, it would be even more visually stunning if the weather was sunny and clear. Even though it was rainy and cold when we were there, we still went down to the bottom and enjoyed every bit of it. After arriving and settling in Reykjavik, we went out for a nice dinner and called it a day. On the next day, we went to Hallgrímskirkja Church. It is a landmark in Reykjavik. You can take an elevator to the top of the church and get a really nice view of Reykjavik. We stumbled upon this restaurant called Cafe Babalu. It has a very fun vibe with a ton of interesting decorations. And that concluded our 5-day trip in Iceland. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing to support us making more content like this. And I'll end this video by saying goodbye in Icelandic. Bless.